Generating a color palette in Canva is super easy. Start by opening your web browser and search for Canva Color Palette Generator. Click on the Canva link that says Color Palette Generator. Once the page opens, you'll notice that Canva already has a variety of beautiful color palettes available for you to explore. Some of them are absolutely stunning. So if you find one you like, simply click Use Color Palette and Canva will open it for you. But here's where the fun begins. You can also create your own color palette using an image. You can head over to Pinterest and search for colored palette design ideas. You'll be amazed at how many beautiful and creative color combinations you can find. Now go back to Canva's color palette generator and upload your image. Once uploaded, Canva will automatically pull the color from the image and generate a custom color palette for you. And just like that, in only a few moments, you have a professional looking color palette ready to make your design look beautiful, polished, and perfectly coordinated.